Welcome back, and today we are going to learn about chapter 3 transportation from 3 KSSM science. So we want to see what's this. You know what's this or not? This is a red blood cell. Got watch the anime or not? Cell at work. This is the anime. If you got watch the anime, no, then never mind. Or maybe you should go and watch, for science, I recommend you watch Dr. Stone and Cell at Work. It really teach you, even though it's anime, but there's really not little, a lot of things you can learn from the anime. Cell at Work and Dr. Stone. I prefer Dr. Stone. You can watch it. So we can see it here. Okay. In 1996, a science fiction fantastic voyage attract many interested scientists, correct or not? So this story is talking about what? So this is a movie talking about a blood clot the blood 顶住了，走不到了 blood clot. So the blood clot is very dangerous, can cause stroke, can cause heart attack, and so on. So the submarine go into the circulatory system to travel to the heart, lung. So the submarine will become small, go into your blood. And he want to use the laser to destroy the blood clot. So is it nice? Maybe you should go and watch. I haven't watched this, but maybe I should watch when I'm free. What's the name of the movie? Fantastic Voyage. But your textbook also ask you to go and watch it. I also should put some anime here. Students should go and watch. Transport system. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is what? Actually, this is very famous for KL people like me. This is LRT. Just in case you want to know where is my house and you want to stop where is my house. Where is my house? My house is at Sri Raya. Where is it? Sri Raya. Sri Petaling. You want to come to my house, you can take train and go to here, this station. Okay, then it's a walking distance from my house, half an hour. Yeah, it's a KL but here also cannot go to Seremban. Can go Seremban. Yeah, that's Seremban. Let's change here, change there. So this is the transport system in the Klang Valley and improved a lot already. I've been staying at KL for 20 years and it improved a lot in terms of transportation. How about our body? Our body also need transport, but it's in your body. Or not. So we can obtain the nutrient, we can transport carry what? So basically it's to carry oxygen, nutrient and other substance. And how to go inside? Diffusion. The oxygen diffuse into the blood. The oxygen diffuse into the bloodstream. And then the oxygen from the bloodstream diffuse into the cell. I won't say the oxygen go into the blood. The oxygen diffuse into the blood. At first you can say go into the blood, but you just get no marks. You just need to say diffuse. Repeat after me. Diffuse. The process of eliminating substance to all parts of the body, waste from the cell is also through diffusion. What is the system that carry useful substance to all parts of the body of an organism and eliminate waste product? Carbon dioxide you don't want, urea you don't want, all the toxic thing that you don't want. So carry out, go to where? Go back to urea, 小便, or you go back to become 大便. Correct or not? So that's how it transport. Simple organism, complex. Simple means very simple. Small organism. Do not have specialized transport system. So this is very basic thing. Basic. Human as created by God, which is more complex and beautiful. Correct or not? You can see a beautiful image of God. You also beautiful. I also beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. Complex and our transportation is more special. Our transport is, we got the blood vessel, means the blood vessel. Can you see my blood vessel here? Cut here, then all the blood come up here. Because here got a lot of blood vessel. My heart. So what is the purpose of heart? To pump the blood. And for the plant, xylem and phloem. Xylem to carry liquid, to carry water. Phloem is to carry minerals or food. So I just write it down here first so that you guys remember. Xylem to carry water and phloem to carry food. Sometimes the question asks you need to know where to level it. Middle 中间的 is xylem. Others 外面的是 phloem. Same like here. Xylem, phloem. The inner part is the xylem. 比较里面的是 xylem. Outer part is phloem. Xylem is to transport water. So this one, therefore, the complex organism need to have a specialized transport system. Our body have a very specialized transport system. We got the heart to pump the blood. It's a very complex. Go to the head, go to the lung, and so on. Not like this one, so simple. That's why I call simple organism. So simple. No heart, no blood vessel, no anything, just sit at there only. I wonder if our life is bacteria, how does it feel? Is it boring? We just sit only, no need to work. The important function of transport system. Why is it important? So important to carry nutrient and oxygen and for cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? I breathe, the oxygen goes inside. After that, go to where? Go inside the lung and then where does it go? This is called cellular respiration. The oxygen go to your nose, go to your lung. From your lung, it go to your blood. From the blood, it go to your body cell, like the hand, the head. So it will produce energy. So the oxygen actually give energy to my hand when there's some chemical reaction that's happening. Some chemical reaction happening because I'm moving my hand. The oxygen is slowly turning into carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide go back to my blood. My blood go to my lung, and the lung come up back carbon dioxide. Can see or not? My hand is using oxygen to make energy and produce carbon dioxide. Yep, I can see a lot of carbon dioxide is coming up because I'm very tired my hand now. So this whole process is called cellular respiration. Cell respiration. Why is it important for transport? To eliminate toxic waste. What is the toxic waste? Toxic waste like from the urea, from the feces, tapen, all this toxic. We want to go up. Okay. And after that, to transport water, I think we all get used know it. To transport mineral salt, to transport mineral salt and water. That is why I think the book changed already because during my time, we learned that xylem carry water and phloem carry food. But here, I think they changed the syllabus that tends to say like mineral, salt, or water rather than I say food. So in case the question asks, if I want to be more precise, maybe I will just write mineral salts. Why? Because the book already say like that. I just follow. Okay, so number one, what is the function of transport system in organism? Okay, so what is the answer for this question? What is the function of transport system? Then the student will go out and find, the function of transport system is here. Importance of function system. You see the importance of function, the answer is here. Wow, so many. Which one to copy? Copy everything. Copy everything. So when you encounter problem like this, like you know the notes, but the notes is a lot. So you just need to key in the key point. For example, I already highlighted to transport substance like oxygen and nutrient to the body. Let's make it simple. You don't need to copy everything, just copy the keyword. So to transport oxygen and nutrient to the body. To transport oxygen, and to transport oxygen and nutrient to the body. I mean the keyword lah. Maybe I can say the keyword for cell respiration. For respiration. How I know? Because I already highlight this. This is my own notes. As I teach, I highlight this my own note. For cell respiration, I can say to eliminate toxic waste. I would say just to eliminate. Maybe I change it to a better word. I say to remove toxic waste. Which I think I use the word remove is easier for me to remember. Remember toxic waste. But if you want to use eliminate also can. And for this one, to carry mineral salt and water for plant. To carry out substance like mineral salt and water. Okay, just to carry, to transport lah. To transport water and mineral salt. Can already. I don't know how many marks the question want to ask, but use your own word. Do not just I don't know. I just copy. Then highlight the keyword. Use your own word. Why use your own word? Then you can remember. If you just like this read, you won't able to remember. State 2 example of substance needed by cell. 2 example of waste product. So basically, let's do the first question. 2A question. State 2 example substance needed by cell. So we can see it's at here substance needed by cell such as oxygen and nutrient. So just put here oxygen and nutrient. 2 substance needed by the cells is oxygen and nutrient. Okay, how about the second question, which is talking about 2 example of waste product eliminate from cell. Okay, so toxic waste, we can say toxic waste, not waster. Toxic waste, carbon dioxide and urea. Okay, the next question. Why is the importance of the function of transporting system in organism? Why is it important? Okay, so because for this question answer about the asking about the important, so the important is actually these 3 lah, okay? So you just need to again the highlighted one you can copy this one. Okay, so to carry like oxygen, correct or not, and transport carbon dioxide and so on. And this question why is the function of the transport? What is the function? Okay, again to carry out substance. Okay, that's the main point, to carry out substance. Okay, last question, question number 4. Explain the impact on organism if the transport system in the organism cannot function well. Lim Shiting. So for number 4, what is the impact if the thing spoil? Usually the thing spoil means you are die lah, because you cannot breathe, there's no respiration. So we can say that cellular respiration cannot be carried out. The organism might die. D-I-E-D, not dear, my dear. D-I-E-D. Or we can say food cannot be made by green plant through photosynthesis. Correct or not? If no transportation, then no respiration, the organism will die. Or no nutrient to be absorbed for the photosynthesis and the tree will die. So that's it for this chapter, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.